These matte transitions will work with almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Let's import transitions. Place any transition clip on the timeline. Place it like that. Place second clip like that. Take razor tool and cut second clip where transition clip ends. Now go to Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. Apply Track Matte key to Video 2 clip. Now go to Effects Control panel. In Track Matte key effect, change Composite using to Matte Luma. Change Matte to Video 3, which is transition layer. In some transitions you will have to check the reverse button. Let's take transition 1 clip. Place it like that. Here you will have to check reverse button. That's it. Thanks for watching.